Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where mice enter and why copper mesh works. Its sharp fibers prevent gnawing and block gaps. Put on gloves, cut mesh to slightly larger than each hole, and compress it into a plug so it sits tight. Once done, push mesh deep into cavity. Make sure the fibers face outward to deter chewing. If gaps are irregular, layer mesh and trim flush. This first action stops immediate access while you prepare permanent sealing. Next, you shape and secure the mesh for a durable repair. Use pliers to twist and compress the mesh so it fills the cavity. Once the mesh is stable, apply a bead of exterior-grade caulk or non-toxic expanding foam to lock it in place. Make sure the foam does not envelop the mesh completely. Exposed fibers are important. After the filler cures, trim any protruding strands and press the mesh tight against wood or metal to prevent tunneling and future gnaw attempts. To finish, check every treated spot after 24 to 48 hours and then weekly. You want to confirm the mesh and sealant remain intact. If you notice fresh gnaw marks or a loose plug, reopen the area, add another compressed layer of mesh, and reseal. Repeat until no damage recurs. If mice persist despite multiple repairs, consider installing metal baffle plates around vulnerable penetrations or consult a pest professional. One key troubleshooting tip: if foam dries crumbly, remove and replace with new mesh plus caulk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.